Welcome to this introduction to Ayurveda, the ancient science of life and holistic healing. Ayurveda teaches us that true health comes from understanding ourselves at the deepest level, mind, body, and consciousness working together in harmony. Ayurveda begins with a simple truth. Every person is unique. Our needs, our tendencies, and the way we respond to stress or food are different for each individual. When we live in balance, we feel alive, grounded, and peaceful. When we fall out of balance, discomfort and disease begin to appear. One of the foundational concepts in Ayurveda is the idea of the three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. These are the biological energies that govern all physical and mental processes in the body. Vata is the energy of movement. It represents air and space and is responsible for breathing, circulation, creativity, and communication. When Vata is balanced, we feel inspired, calm, and clear. When Vata is imbalanced, we may experience anxiety, dryness, restlessness, or insomnia. Pitta is the energy of transformation. It represents fire and water and governs digestion, metabolism, intelligence, and ambition. When Pitta is balanced, we feel focused, confident, and strong. When Pitta becomes excessive, we may experience irritation, inflammation, anger, or burnout. Kapha is the energy of structure and stability. It represents earth and water and provides strength, endurance, nurturing, and emotional calm. When Kapha is balanced, we feel grounded, compassionate, and steady. When Kapha is out of balance, we may experience lethargy, weight gain, congestion, or emotional stagnation. Ayurveda matters today because it offers a personalized and holistic path to wellness. Instead of treating symptoms, it teaches us how to prevent disease by aligning with nature, understanding our constitution, and living consciously. Through meditation, proper nutrition, herbal support, daily routines, and mindful lifestyle choices, Ayurveda empowers us to restore balance and create long-lasting wellness. As I continue my journey in Maharishi Ayurveda and integrative medicine, I am grateful to share this knowledge and help others connect with their inner healing intelligence. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.